Hello everyone. Welcome to this new episode of Shake Hand with Life. In this video, I'll tell you about the process benchmarking. Earlier, in previous videos, you have studied the meaning and concept of benchmarking, followed by internal benchmarking and competitive benchmarking. Links are given in the I mark above and also available in the description below. Now back to process benchmarking. Process benchmarking is sometimes known as functional or generic benchmarking. Focuses on improving specific critical processes and operations. Process benchmarking invariably involves producing process maps to facilitate comparison and analysis. In this type of benchmarking, the benchmarking partners are assured from the best practice organizations that perform similar operations or deliver similar services. The objective of the process benchmarking is to gain short-term benefits or realizing the quick benefits in a small span of time through process improvement. The idea behind the process benchmarking is that many processes are common across industry boundaries, and hence the innovations from other types of organizations can be applied across industries. For example, every industry has payroll and accounts receivable functions, and all types of organizations design new products and have logistics functions. A classic example of process benchmarking is the case of Southwest Airlines. Southwest Airlines, typically referred to as Southwest, is one of the major airlines of the United States and the world's largest low-cost carrier. It is headquartered at Dallas, a city in Texas, and has scheduled service to 121 destinations in the United States and 10 additional countries. Southwest was unhappy with the airplane turnaround time. The airplane turnaround time is the time required to unload an airplane after its arrival at the gate and to prepare it for departure again. Turnaround times currently range from 25 minutes for short-haul budget airlines to 90 minutes for long-haul premium airlines. During this airline turnaround time, many different activities must take place, such as refueling, inspections, cleaning, baggage handling, cargo handling, and passenger boarding. And all of these activities must be choreographed to take place in this small time frame, with many happening simultaneously. Southwest benchmarked auto racing pit stop process and implemented many new ideas. Auto racing pit stop process. Pit stops are timed from the moment the racing car stops in its pit stall until service is finished and the car leaves the stall. Auto racing pit crews. They are responsible for stabilizing the car, changing the tires, making adjustment to the aerodynamics, and safely releasing the car on the track in Formula 1 race. If you were to take your road car to the local garage to change a tire, you will be waiting around for about 15 minutes. In a Formula 1 pit lane, all 4 tires are changed in less than 3 seconds. Anything longer than 2.5 seconds is considered a long stop, but a stop under 2 seconds can buy you a couple of places on the track. So, Southwest Airline compared the airline turnaround process with auto race pit stop process and inspired and trained the airline crew to improve the airline turnaround process, and as a result, the airline turnaround time successfully reduced significantly. Another killing example of process benchmarking is of Remington rifles. Remington Arms Company was an American manufacturer of firearms and ammunition, founded in 1816 by Eliphalet Remington at New York. It was one of the oldest gun makers in the US and claimed to be the oldest factory in the US that still made its original product. The company was the largest rifle manufacturer in North America according to 2015 ATF statistics. ATF is an acronym standing for the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearm. It's a United States law enforcement agency. The company developed or adopted more cartridges than any other gun maker or ammunition manufacturer in the world. Remington rifles used Maybelline Cosmetics' shiny lipstick cartridge production process techniques to produce shinier rifle shells. Maybelline is an American multinational cosmetics, skincare, fragrance, and personal care company based in New York City. It was founded in Chicago by pharmacist Thomas Lyle Williams in 1915 and has been a subsidiary of French cosmetics company L'Oreal since 1996. Now, if you are thinking, what is the relation between the rifle manufacturing company and a cosmetics producing company, then you must have the knowledge that the highly pigmented lipstick that delivers unparalleled color payoff in a silky smooth plus matte formula is called a power bullet. And this power bullet or lipstick is packed and protected in metal cylindrical cartridges. Metal lipstick cylinders had been introduced in 1915 with the original push-up tube created by Maurice Levy. He was an American businessman. With the introduction of the metal casing, the mass production of lipstick was started in America. These metal cases were similar to the shapes used in lipstick production today. Even though the two industries and the consumers of their products are totally different from each other, still the process of manufacturing of the cartridges of the rifle bullet and lipstick, or you can say the power bullet, is quite similar. Hence, Remington Rifle had chosen to compare the lipstick cartridge production process to produce the shinier rifle cartridges and benefited in a short span of time. Process benchmarking has several advantages. Compared with competitive benchmarking, it is much easier to get organizations to share information. It is relatively easy to find organizations with world-class operations through published information, through discussions with suppliers and consultants who are specialized in the field. However, care must be taken to pick firms that are comparable. Often, data must be adjusted to arrive at a meaningful metric. Process benchmarking is most appropriate where quick benefits are desired by achieving improvements in key processes. That's it in this video. Hope you have enjoyed the learning in this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in the next episode of Shake Hand with Life. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Do write your feedback in the comment box below. And let me know about your thoughts related to the process benchmarking. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos.